What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Bless up on yourself, viewers and subscribers, man. I don't know the thing going. I don't know it's a New Link there from New Link Production. So viewers and subscribers, right? So a couple days ago, I cover a story where I share a video with you all about the man in Antigua. That's the Jamaican man who can't walk people because he was shot by a policeman in Antigua, you understand, a couple of years ago. Well, viewers and subscribers, now that I cover the story, I have seen where several persons are reaching out to me, which some people just reach out to me and share, you know what I mean, some news thing about what go on in Antigua and certain things are going on, which the man never talked about, which some of them now sharing stuff to me and I say, yo, me and the man join up for scam people. And in the end, viewers and subscribers, listen me, I'm just going to let you know this straight up, right? I'm not trying to scam nobody. I never know this man in person. You get me? I say, how I get to know this man is a brother who is a Jamaican, who is in Antigua, reach out to me personally and share the video with me, right? And then he tell me to go to a channel and I can watch it from there. I go to the channel, you understand, and I look and I see that this man do have a story, people, and everybody don't know New Link have a heart where him always trying his best to help people, you know, once they need help, and I can use my platform to showcase that because I always done that, people. So that's really how, right, I really come forward and posted the video. I end up get the number from the same one because when I go to the YouTube channel, I could get the number from there, and I asked the man and he get the number and he give me the number, and so I posted the number. I never take a call pertaining to accept money or anything, you understand? Or them and say me and this man are planning to scam people because me know the story behind it and everything. Well, people, I then comes a boom and really read the article that they're really talking about, and when I read the article, people, I do understand why some of them are gonna feel say yeah and say things about me or whatever, you understand, but in the end, just want everybody to know I don't have nothing with pertaining to, no, not me, yeah? So now that I get the article, people, and I just want to give you a brief understanding of what these people are talking about, right? Which the man never state nothing about it. And in the end, I'm not doing this to bring this brother down or tear him down because he says in need and he wants, and I'm not telling no one to stop from helping him who is helping him also. But I'm just gonna, because when I have a channel, people, I just want my platform to be good, you understand, because I don't want no one to feel cheated or anything. So I just want people to really have an understanding of what they are really doing, you know what I mean? And they don't want nobody come and say New Link this, New Link that, like what some people are trying to do in this early stage right now, you understand? So just imagine maybe a week or 2 weeks after how they behave. Well, people, now that I have this article, and it was from the Observer in Antigua, because the Antigua don't have them Observer and things just like how you have Jamaica Observer, and this was published on January the 8th 2019, and the title of this said, Magistrate revokes bail for retired cop in shooting case. So now that I have this thing, people, and it's based on the policeman and this brother in the wheelchair and thing, right? So now that I'm gonna read it so everybody can just have an understanding of what really is going on and I'm talking about. Bail was yesterday revoked for retired Assistant Superintendent of Police Everton Francis after Magistrate Negio Emmanuel Edwards learned of his previous conviction for shooting someone and that a portion of the compensation remains unpaid to the victim in that incident. Francis, 61, who was recently charged with wounding with intent after another shooting incident. So that's the policeman and the people. They are talking about who did shoot the man in the wheelchair. Now they are saying he has also been charged for a next incident, right? So yeah, let me continue. Was immediately carted off to Her Majesty's prison after spending just over a week on bail. A source was present at court said the magistrate lamented that when the police took the accused to court late last month, they never mentioned that he had a prior conviction for a similar offense. In fact, they did not object to bail. The source said, oh, sorry about that, people. Sorry about that, because this thing is moving so fast that I'm reading from. The source said the magistrate indicated that she only learned of the previous case from reports in the media, and she subsequently made inquiries which confirmed those reports. Further inquiries were made yesterday regarding payment of compensation when the cop was taken before Magistrate Emmanuel Edwards in the All Saints Magistrate Court to get a committal date for the latest shooting case. That's when the magistrate learned that $24,000 out of the total of $250,000 remained unpaid to the victim, who was left crippled for life following the 2007 shooting incident in Jennings. So viewers and subscribers, yeah, this is the part now where I just want to make myself clear, because people is saying, I know about this man getting this loan sum of money, you understand, and I must know why, or what the reason why he's asking for money now, and what did he do with this money, and he never mentioned nothing that he was even compensated or anything, which I believe he could have also stated that he has been compensated, because I see where I thought this policeman was, you know, he just finished like that and nothing never happened, and they shoot him and they left him like suffering to die and nothing come out of it, people. But when I do the check on the dollars in Antigua and to the US dollar, people, it's really a lot of money. I'm telling you the truth. $250,000 is a lot of money, not no small money in Antigua, you understand? And boy, all I can say, people, I just don't know what really are going on, you know, with this. But I just gonna finish this thing. The payments were to be made through the High Court. It was also said that the Police Service Commission was supposed to arrange those payments since the senior cop forfeited his pension when he retired to pay the victim Damian Watson. If the retired cop wants bail, he would have to make the application in the High Court. He was represented by attorney John Fuller yesterday, and March 13 is the date he has to return for a committal hearing. At that time, he is to be told whether the latest shooting case will be sent to the High Court for a trial in the late December. The former Assistant Superintendent of Police was released on $15,000 bail after he met the conditions set out by the court. The conditions included a deposit of $7,000 as cash component for a bail, having two sureties who are citizens of Antigua and Barbuda sign as assurance that he will appear in court on all dates set by the court until the case ends or bail is varied, surrendering his travel documents, and while out he had to report to Johnson's Point Police Station every day between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. He was also told not to communicate with the complainant or interfere with him directly or indirectly, and stay at least 50 feet away from him at all times. Francis was arrested on December 23rd for allegedly shooting Kyle Maximo on December 20 when he reportedly saw the victim lurking outside the home of another resident sometime around 11 p.m. In the year 2010, Francis was convicted of unlawful wounding in a case where he shot Damian Watson 3 years earlier. He had alleged that the man attacked him with a cutlass and he was defending himself, but the evidence at the trial proved otherwise. The man was left confined to a wheelchair for life. Yeah, people, so this is where, as I tell you, people are saying, New Link, I know about this story, which I don't know nothing about this story, people. Now I know about it. And I'm just sharing with you all so you can have an understanding of what go on before people start growing there and say, New Link, this kind of like what them are saying to me. And maybe they start create vlog and them something there. But people, in the end, yeah, he was compensated. But he didn't get all the money You get me? Because they said as he should get $250,000 and $24,000 wasn't paid to him. You understand? So basically he get 226,000 and he didn't get 24, which it's a lot of money. Well, I do some other check. People are saying, you know, he did get the money and he did go back to Jamaica and they don't know what, you know what I mean, like 2 years after he come back to Antigua. But they didn't know what happened in Jamaica, but they know that he go Jamaica with the loan sum of money, but they don't know what happened. Some people are saying he, you know, a lot of things, people, which I not even go really share and talk, because as I told you, I'm not doing this to bring down this brother or trying to stop people from helping him. If you all are planning on still helping him, please do, because at the position he's in need, and if you can call him and talk to him, you know. But I never get this part of story, people. As I tell you, he never stated in the video or anything that he was compensated or anything. But in the end, I just want myself to be clear so everybody out there can understand. Who are saying New Link, I know about this and I'm trying to maybe rip off and get money to know. Because in the end, people, anybody asks me anything and they contact me, I tell everyone, and I leave his number in the description. No one can call me. For only thing people could message me or DM me through Instagram and or what Facebook and ask me for is his number if they don't check the description, and I will just give it to them. But you understand? So I just want to make myself clear on anything here. So viewers and subscribers, you don't know the thing, but thanks for taking your time out to listen. You understand? I hope you have a brief understanding of what I'm trying to say. And it's just love people and respect. And stay blessed and stay loyal. You understand? And be good and be great. Attack. Peace out. Big up.